Well, going up on is well. Today is what, May the 28th on a Thursday, and today video will be on Miss Kitty defending FOOTA hype and saying stop watch the messenger, but the message, and calling out how people are being hypocrites. Like, comprehending what is the difference when FOOTA hype say it, Shaggy say it, and it's the same thing in my defend. So check it out for yourself what Miss Kitty has to say.
The same thing about our culture and the same thing about we were push forward and the same thing we're in that we are retard with at the same time. Paradoxical in it, but true. The same thing we push with and the same thing we all were back. So FOOTA goes and say, if the people them will love the culture so, Bunty out a visa for all long now. Beenie Man out a visa for all long now. Remember, these hip-hop artists and these rappers and these people, they are not the government and they do not issue visas, okay? So they cannot just take up and say, oh, get a visa. But that's not the point. The point is, influence and people of substance and clout, it does matter. That is why, for example, Calico, when Barack Obama a campaign, when Oprah come out and give him the support and say, yeah, my Jenna, and you me say, right away, the whole of Oprah followers them, boom on pa him. True. When P. Diddy say, vote or die, the whole of the hip-hop world say, he did it, and Obama you say, and that we said too. So I'm saying, the plethora of artists that have come to Jamaica and have enjoyed our people, our culture, that has inured to their benefit. If you love the culture, may I say, Jay-Z, Beyonce, put on your dear clothes and lotion and put on your deodorant and go up on the governor or the whoever, I don't know the people them of America, big up America, and go to them and say, we have a guy in Jamaica. His name is Rodney Price. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what happened. His visa has been taken away for quite some time. How can we rectify this? Because this guy is really talented and we need his talent. You know, we need him over here. You know what I'm saying? We need to get him on tour. We need to, yeah. Beyonce cannot sing for the man and bust two move. Crazy right now. You understand? Yeah. And just do two something and rock her head and boom bang. Because Beyonce, them girl like have clout. Just like how Kim Kardashian goes to Bamson and get our people them and our money and our friend them and go take out Cynthia out of the prison. We are talking about influence, as Jamaica does say. Not influence, but influence. Okay? So Kim Kardashian has clout. So if you love the culture, do the tangible things them for the culture. And for the boss them in the culture. So FOOTA hype goes to Bamson and say, make a talk. He made some very salient points. Everybody know to all when we upset. You see, you have some people when you're upset, the more you talk at 1 decibel, and the more you talk like your teeth hurt you. You know something hypocritical and terrible? When me ignorant, me can't talk good. Me not have no good something. And my heart, me eat it. You understand? Yeah, the something hurt. And when they shoot upon your foot, you know the inner workings and the intricacies and the underbelly of the thing. You're going to have a different experience and output than somebody who is an observer on the outside. So as Mr. FOOTA hype make a talk, he made some salient points. And said, some persons who love the culture, Bounty out a visa, being out a visa, we can rally amongst them. And all the way go for the county general or wait one name, I don't know, immigration, something. Mm-hmm. And go up there and say, we want Bounty to get his visa. These artists are really great and they have done so much and they have contributed. A lot of people were bashing him. And I'm saying to myself, what FOOTA say wrong? I don't understand. And it come back again too. Sometimes because the people them ignorant for the messenger, you can't even process the message. You're ignorant themes until you can't even sit down and say, when I say kind of make sense because everybody's into the glitz and the glam and you're not think. You're not thinking. Shaggy now, big up Mr. Burrell, I'm going to rate the move there. Come out and said the same thing. Hear them now. Yeah, Shaggy. Let me say, excuse me. But I see the FOOTA just say. So, you say, yeah, Shaggy. And FOOTA never even there sweating him at all. If they come and everything. So, true FOOTA said. And what problem? So true Shaggy and Diamond telling and Shaggy said, oh wow. FOOTA said the same thing. And I said to myself, wow. But I was happy when a man of Shaggy's stature and reach and impact. And again, Shaggy made a statement on his Instagram. And because of his influence, because of his respect that him have, everybody me see a reposter of it. And that me a talk about. So when you love somebody, love is not just word speaking, Andrika. Love is not just a noun, it is a verb. And your actions speak loudly. Yeah. So you can't just love me so Hubba love me. And you not push me forward. You not help. In a tangible ways, me I say Calico. If Calico have him computer shop, me I say, yeah, me rate Calico. But you say, me never even buy one Calico computer yet, but me I buy Dell. Me go buy Apple. Which way you know Steve Jobs from? You ever see Steve Jobs at half a tree? Eh? You ever see if Steve Jobs, when he was alive, you didn't see me on Carnation Market? But yet still, you broke your neck and want foreign things, and you're not support Calico, but you rate Calico. You use Calico, me rate you, me dog, yo, you're a dog, you're a G, you're a dog, yeah. But me never yet support a Calico though, yet. How? How do you work that out? Jay-Z on an island, Beyonce buy one for him birthday. And when she give him, but him get them still a book back. Jay-Z can't make a little computer lab. Me don't know something in that music. Me don't know do something. Buy 2 amps. Buy 2 something. Me don't know what music was. But like, you love the culture. So, you know, I'm just saying. Where's the tangible things? I will love the platform. But again, this just goes to show that as a people, we have to look within ourselves and do some introspection. And if you not rate yourself, nobody not rate you. People are going to say, a lot of times people misconstrue confidence for hype. Because a lot of them don't want you to feel good about yourself and they don't want you to love yourself. The moment Andrika love herself, the word Andrika, hype is say. Because again, Andrika, only certain people must be on certain platform. So if I don't wear size 2, I'm not wear 2 pound, and my nose not straight, and my ear not long, I'm not brown, I'm not supposed to love myself. And if I love myself, it's a problem to everybody. When you talk, it's a problem. She can go. I'm supposed to. Yeah. Me say no, don't scale a hype. Leave me. Me want hype too. But you can't spell it. Leave me alone. Yeah, me want to in it. And you not cost them because them supposed to have it. You have a certain segment of Jamaica where have certain things and them up in the upper strata and them have the money and everybody happy for them. Boy, me not telling them money rich. Ooh, them money the man. Ooh, them money bad. But if Calico have it, the one Calico hype and show off fee, him buy a range this year, boy, I'm have to buy a Benz next year. But you never said that about the top man them yet. Oh, no, me never hear say that. But the browning people them, me never hear say that. Why you gonna say Calico hype? Why? Because him buy something? Oh, yo, one Calico probably make a body. Go live uptown. Oh, what a hype. Forget where you come from. But everybody want to live up there. So all the other people when them up there, in the area class them say them hype. Why? And that is why Miss Kitty Rock enough people bought and upset them apple cart. Because guess what? I'm the fat girl that made it. And a lot of them didn't want to be that. Because they want you fat and run a back and hold on your head and eat yourself and lie. You tell me I love myself like how Jesus love little children. Why am I eat myself? After me cut up Jesus' slippers and give him vinegar for drink. I have to love myself with every cellulite, every bump, everything. I love me. Because the Janet Jackson have muscle in her neck and her man still left her and bun her. Aliberry pretty, her knee pretty, and the boy box her in her ears. Aliberry can't hear out her left ears. If you call her, she have to turn her right ears. And remember say Aliberry knee look good. Remember say Beyonce can sing and dance at the same time and not run out her breath. Remember say Beyonce with a bump her liver spot. And remember say Jay-Z bud her. Remember say Jay-Z have mom's right show. Yeah. So you have to love you and rate you. And rate who rate you. And as a country, we have to wake up and realize our own strength of character, that we do not need approval from the outside world to give you the go. As I said earlier, Calico, if I say to you, Calico, are you a good dad? You're going to say, you know, something I know. No, you must care about yourself. Boy, Miss Kitty, yeah, man. Take care of me youth, them, you know. I'm going to love me youth, them, I'm a good father. If somebody said to me, Miss Kitty, are you a good host? Boy, you know, I don't know. You have to ask Damien. No, you don't have to ask Damien. Ask me. Yes, miss. I'm ambitious, I'm intelligent, I'm hardworking, I'm dedicated, I'm committed, I love my job, I'm very passionate, and I'm a go-getter. Why me can't talk on my behalf? They made that one bricks in their head. Yeah. So, me like the vibe with Saturday night, yeah. I like the euphoria, I love the aura, I love the togetherness, I love that. But we need to translate that in our daily life so we can feel proud of ourselves. And by the way, when you're proud of yourself, it doesn't mean you're narcissistic. It doesn't mean you're haughty. But you have to love you. Because if you don't love you, we're going to do it for you. And remember, you know, we come from a country rough. So if you left yourself careless, nigga tapping in your track here and gone left you. If you don't know yourself and can't stand up firm, it's going to be a problem. So you have to love yourself. So I rate your foot, I say, I rate how Shaggy just come and polish it nice and clean. Because you remember the diamond artist, you know what I'm saying? Mr. Bombastic, yay. You love the culture, rate the damn them. Because don't feel no way. Them know the pause in a calico. Them know the pause. You think them an idiot? You think P. Diddy take up him Sirac and said come back and Africa. Remember say plane lock off. Remember say that not ship. If Puff Daddy never know the power and the potency of Jamaican music and culture, you think he might get up out in bed? Because I know right now, you know. Swiss Beats and Timbaland Good I get some call from some other people. Excuse me. Hi, man, what up? I saw that Jamaican thing. Oh, my God. That versus challenge was hot. How can we get on that? What's up? What's up? What's going on? Because everything is business and marketing. And that is where we are lacking. Because we do the talent part and we're not doing the business part. We're doing the talent part and we're not doing the business part. Everybody else doing the business part. That's why when a guy call me, you know, say, money off up coming in, hey, I'm not joke, no. You know, make me sell a taste and buy red pies down a town and a camper baller. That me I tell you right now. Yeah, me like nice things. I'm willing to work fit straight up. Straight up. So you have your money, you have your things. Because when Miss Kitty come and bring it. Remember, I'm going to go to university, go do hairdressing and sewing. And when you see me step out anytime I'm a night, I'm clean. Like Jesus police record. So when you're calling me, you have your money together. Straight up. Not talking and laughing. I want to. When I come and I rock a crowd for hours per my foot. In my ears. Remember me no weigh 2 pounds. And when me a rock and a bop and a rock. The ear when me wear there. Yeah, we want it. I just like how the man them earn, the woman them have to earn, so I stand up for woman. Yeah, because we needs it. Me can't just oppose the patriarchal agenda, the matriarchs in this country, that we matter too. So a guy don't feel like a guy go call a man and say, yo, may I give 100,000? And when you call me now, you want to give me $20. Sir, I'll disrespect you. Sir, you, Mr. Man, sir, don't make me this in a Spanish. You can't make my tongue all heavy. You understand? God does it. We got to love ourselves. And as a nation, we have to realize that we are valuable. The world loves what we have to give. But if we don't harness it in the right way, and if we don't approach it from a business perspective, from a professional perspective, other people are always going to benefit from it. And then we're just going to be on the sideline like, yay, Jamaica, Jamaica. And then when everybody gone back to whatever do and make the millions, we just done your stuff in the eat and coronavirus. Yeah. While everybody account them bank book and, you know, everybody just happy and yay. We got to know ourselves. Because Marcus Garvey did say, without confidence, you are twice defeated in a race called life. I'm telling you all the time, one of the best things my mother could have ever give me are self-worth, self-esteem, and confidence. Love yourself. I will look like all out over Port Royal, get it out over Port Royal, love yourself. Love me. And guess what? You'll never be right for the wrong person. But the right person will always love you and see the best in you and want the best for you. So I'm rate what the general them do. Because it give you a lift. Remember saying at them time normally are you seeing and the running and you know, big up you seeing both. But at the same time, guys, we need to ensure that the euphoria doesn't just last for a time and for a short while and it's fleeting. But it's in what we inculcate in our children, what we do as a people and how we support each other. You're not gonna like everybody and everybody not gonna like you and that's okay. But at the core of it, we have to realize our value. And don't wait on somebody else to give you that stamp of approval to make you know that you are worthy. You're listening to Miss Kitty Live. We're going to review the clash. And let me know how you guys felt about the clash. And who won the clash. All right here, that and more on Miss Kitty Live.